279 pounds, Pete Sanchez. His opponent is from San Francisco, California. He weighs in at 350 pounds. The master of the Ferris wheel, he is Earthquake Ferris. Robert Horton is your referee. Down the ringside, your Rod Trongard and Lord James Blears.
Now, this Earthquake Ferris, as you see him there, he is indeed quite a guy. Just one of the happiest guys that I have ever met. The Rookie of the Year in the AWA for 1986, and coming strong. 350 pounds out of San Francisco, California, going to work immediately on the 279-pounder from San Juan, Pete Sanchez, apparently wanting to make quick work with Lord James Blears.
That's right, and I'll tell you what, being Rookie of the Year is no small honor. There's a lot of rookies, more than there ever were, and he being chosen the Rookie of the Year, that's a great honor. He's a real terrific guy. I'll tell you why. If a referee misses a plane and can't make it, he'll referee. And by refereeing, you'll learn a lot. Not just being a referee is a tough job, and he learns a great deal. Refereeing is also a great wrestler, a great amateur, and he's going to go places. He's a good man. While the other man is outside the ring, let's talk about Colonel De Beers, Superfly Jimmy Snuka, the big feud still going on. Nick Bockwinkel and Kurt Hennig. And of course, Super Ninja and Mr. Saito, the Dream Team as the people are calling them. They're still in action in the AWA, and you'll be seeing them in your local areas and around the world from time to time.
And when that Super Ninja gets the double hook, and then the Super Ninja suplex, and then the bridge, finishing off an opponent, it is really something to behold.
Hey, they're really good.
Oh, indeed.
This is one of the most painful holds in wrestling, the basic hammerlock.
Earthquake Ferris. Wonder if we'll get to see the Ferris wheel. Oh, how he loves to put it on, and that finishes him off. And it takes him a while to recover from it. Leg pickup by Sanchez. Oh!
Boy, he landed right on Earthquake's face, but he didn't phase him. They're both big men. Look at this, picking him up and slamming.
Wow.
Wait a minute. Whoop!
Fortunately, Sanchez got out of the way of that, or it would have been lights out. Curtains. El Fini.
El Fini, right. Okay.
Hard knee to the side of the head. I think Ferris is seeing some stars about now as well, as he takes that knee drop from Pete Sanchez. Hard shot to the head. Sanchez on the attack, going to work with judo shots. Knee to the solar plexus. Again the knee. A whip. Uh-oh. Oh, off he comes, and down goes Sanchez.
Okay, watch this now. The big man pulls his man to his feet, and he's pulling up close to 300. Watch this. Swings him into turnbuckle. Oh! Now he's mad. Watch him now. He's on a roll. The big man senses that he has a chance to finish it off. Grabs him now. Wheels him across the ring.
Here it comes.
Here we go.
This is the Ferris wheel. Let's watch it.
Oh.
Round and round he goes. Down he goes. The Ferris wheel.
What do we call this?
Earthquake Ferris. Splash.
The big splash.
That's it. That is it.
Once again, Aloha, and the Earthquake does it again. All right.
A happy guy.
Okay, we're going to watch that big spin, and you saw it before. It's all over. As they say, bar the shouting. Aloha, tofa, tofua.
What?
Goodbye. We'll be right back.